And I'm gonna also add my sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna add most of it, guys. Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some king prawns with some smoked sashes. Yes, so this is my prawns. This is the one that's in the shell. You can use the one without the shell also. And this is my smoked sashes also. So my prawns is already washed, it's clean. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my prawns and my smoked sashes. So this is 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful of paprika, and 1 spoonful of fish seasoning, and 1 spoonful of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoonful of black pepper. So just blend it all in. Just pour it all over. Just take your hands. Just make sure all the seasoning is on the prawns and on the sashes also. I also slice my prawns here so the seasoning will go in it, because you want your prawn to be flavorful. Like so. This is gonna be so good, guys. It's gonna be so delicious. So it's all seasoning now. I'm not gonna marinate it, guys. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So in this pot, guys, I added some vegetable oil. So this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry my prawns and I'm gonna also fry my sashes. So my pot is hot. So now I'm gonna add my prawns and my sashes. Just make sure the oil is hot. And I'm just gonna allow it to fry for at least 3 minutes on each side. That smells so good, guys. I'm not gonna add all of it. So now I'm gonna turn it now. Nice and golden. So now I'm gonna remove it now. So I'm gonna make my sauce for my prawns and my smoked sashes. So in this bowl I've got bell pepper, I've got onions, I've got spring onions, I've got ginger, and I also have garlic, and I also have cachemani pepper and just a bit of thyme. And I'm also gonna use some sweet chili sauce with it also. So this is a pot that I use to fry my king prawns and my smoked sashes. So now I'm gonna put all my herbs in it, because you don't have to wash your pot, guys, because this is where all the flavor is. So now I'm just gonna add all my herbs. Give it a stir. That smells so good, guys. Look at the color. Amazing. I'm just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 3 minutes. So it has finished saute. So now I'm gonna add my prawns and my smoked sashes. And I'm gonna also add my sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna add most of it, guys. And I'm also gonna add some jerk seasoning. And just a bit of water, guys, not a lot. Like so. Some parsley. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes, guys, and it should be finished. So it is finally finished now, guys, and it's looking absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to eat it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. So this is what my prawns and my smoked sashes looks like in the plate. It's looking so yummy.